Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech. So today I am going to show you how to connect Instagram account to your Facebook page, and this trick almost works for all Android mobile devices including iOS iPhone also, because the setting location is common for all devices. So what is the use of this video? So for example, if I link your Instagram to Facebook page, so at that time if you share anything on your Instagram timeline, the same image or video is posted on your Facebook page. So there is no need for login or sign up process is required for your Facebook page. So this is the main thing. So due to this reason, lots of Instagram users are enable this feature. So if you like to do this process, just follow me friends. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Instagram application using your Android mobile or iOS device, and then click to log in your account details, and then my news feed is ready to use. Now in this homepage section, you can press that person icon and it is placed at the bottom, and this icon will help you to access your Instagram personal profile. So now it shows my entire profile informations, but you can press that horizontal 3 lines icon and it is placed at the almost top of right side corner, and then go to settings, but this option is located at the bottom. Now it shows lots of settings, but you can go to account settings. So just click to open it, and once again it shows some account related settings, but you can go to linked accounts. So here it shows some social network names, but here I try to link my Instagram account to Facebook page. So I try to select Facebook and the first one. But before I'm going to select this feature, first of all log in your Facebook account details using your Facebook application, because this Instagram application is verify your Facebook account informations. So friends, remember this one message. So once your Facebook login process is completed, finally select this Facebook option, and then it shows a notification message, and the message is turn on Facebook sharing. So you can customize these settings, which means that if instantly share any post, just press start sharing to Facebook option, otherwise you can select not now. So I try to select not now. So finally here you can see my Instagram account is successfully linked with my Facebook page. So now you can share your Instagram post to your Facebook timeline. So this is the way you can easily link Instagram account to your Facebook page. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech, and thanks for watching.